Are you ready for all the cool tools we're gonna give you? Woo! I'm excited, because guess what? Paparazzi's got a bunch of tools, we've got a bunch of tools, but before we get into these tools, we're gonna talk about a little analogy here. So we're gonna use the analogy of baking a cake, okay? We're gonna give you all these tools, and it's like ingredients. We can give you the flour, we can give you the sugar, we can give you the eggs. We have these tools, but guess what? It's up to you to do the mixture. It's up to you to do the baking, okay? We can't bake the cake for you here, okay? So it's really up to you to use these tools and utilize them, and because it's up to you of how successful you're gonna be here.
Paparazzi has so many tools for you. They give us so much support. They have a social media, Facebook and Instagrams. We have the link below, so go check them out. There's a free replicated site. Now that's your website. That's for your customers to come and shop, for your new people that you're gonna get to sign up to join your team. Then we have the back office. Now, there's a link below for all that, all the things in the back office, but get familiar with that. It's all your account information. It's your business place. It's got your shop for you to buy wholesale jewelry to sell to those customers. It has lots of resources. There is weekly emails that Paparazzi will send us. We have monthly promotions. They send you your starter kit. There's a Paparazzi app, so go to your app store and download that. We get new jewelry. Do you know we get new jewelry every single day? Brand new releases.
Along with Paparazzi's awesome tools that they provide for you, we have some amazing tools as well. So what is that exactly? Well, number one, there is a Facebook group. That is Frank Diva's Team group on Facebook. The link is below. But what is so great about this group is there are a lot of great men and women in here that you can ask questions that you may get a response from us, but you also will get responses from other team members that are going through some of the same things, and it is just a very amazing group. Another place is, of course, where you're at right here, going through these trainings and being here with us. Then there is frankdivasteam.com. Again, those links are below. Something awesome that my mom and I like to do is congratulate you and give you recognition for the amazing milestones that you're doing, or when you hit your birthday. So you will get a text from either me or my mom. And you guys, what's great about this is you're getting access to us and a cell phone number. So you can send a text back if you have any questions, and you will get a reply right back. So if there's questions, where do you go? Where do you try and find these answers? Well, there's tools above that we talked about from Paparazzi and from us, but there are also other places. The frankdivasteam.com website, there's an FAQ that you can go there and look up some questions. There is also a question help that, you guys, it has saved me. It has helped me out. It's on the Paparazzi website. When you log in, you go to your shop and it's going to be down in the bottom. I will do a video and show you more about that later on. But you guys, there is so much help out there, and we're here to help you. So just remember, love your life.